Did you know Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich has created more millionaires than any other book in history? That's right. This 85-year-old masterpiece still holds the keys to financial success. And today, I'll show you how to unlock those timeless principles and apply them to build wealth in 2025. It's not just about theory, it's about actionable steps you can start using today. Let's dive in. 1. The power of desire. Napoleon Hill says, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." This isn't just motivational fluff, this is your blueprint for success. Hill calls it desire, but in 2025, I call it your why. Why do you want wealth? Is it freedom, security, or maybe that dream of working from anywhere in the world? Write your why on a sticky note and put it somewhere you'll see daily. This keeps your goals front and center. And remember, vague desires get vague results. Want to launch an online business? Be specific. What niche? What income goal? By when? Desire fuels clarity, and clarity fuels action. 2. The importance of specialized knowledge. Hill makes it clear. General knowledge won't make you rich. Specialized knowledge will. In 2025, this could mean mastering AI tools, learning how to create compelling online content, or even understanding NFTs and blockchain. Start with what excites you. Are you fascinated by AI? Platforms like ChatGPT can help you launch a content creation service or automate customer support. Not sure where to start? Take online courses. There's no shortage of affordable, specialized education today. Remember, the richest people in the future aren't just consumers of technology. They're creators and problem solvers. 3. The magic of persistence. Hill writes, "Persistence is to the character of man as carbon is to steel." This principle hasn't aged a day. In 2025, it's all about consistency. Whether you're growing an e-commerce store or building a freelancing career, persistence beats perfection every time. Use a habit tracker to keep yourself accountable. Break big goals into bite-sized tasks. For example, if you want to build a side hustle, commit to 1 hour a day. No excuses. Persistence isn't about never failing. It's about refusing to quit. 4. The power of the mastermind. Hill calls the mastermind principle one of the greatest wealth-building tools of all time. Think of it as surrounding yourself with people who elevate your game. In 2025, this could be joining an online community of like-minded entrepreneurs or attending virtual masterminds. Follow this rule of thumb. If you're the smartest person in the room, find a new room. Platforms like LinkedIn, Discord, or even Twitter are gold mines for finding your tribe. Collaboration isn't just networking, it's building a team of people who push you forward. Now let's bring it all together for 2025. Hill's principle of desire is perfect for launching your first online business. Want to sell products? Platforms like Shopify or Etsy make it easier than ever. Interested in freelancing? Sites like Upwork and Fiverr let you monetize your skills. Specialized knowledge? Use platforms like Coursera or Skillshare to gain expertise in areas like digital marketing, coding, or even AI-driven content creation. Persistence? Stick to a simple schedule. 2 hours of focused work daily beats 10 hours of scattered effort. And finally, leverage the mastermind principle. Start small. Join a Facebook group in your niche or attend free webinars. Surround yourself with people who share your vision. So, which principle are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more wealth hacks from the world's greatest books. It's free, and I promise it's worth it. These principles have stood the test of time because they work. Wealth isn't just for a select few. It's for anyone willing to learn, grow, and take action. Start applying these strategies today, and let's make 2025 the year you level up your financial game. And as always, keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaamarketingschool.com for more tips. Until next time.